Spotify fans. So today in this video, we're doing a Barbie video. So let's get started. Oh, someone's knocking. Let's see who it is. Huh?
Wow! Here is a big, huge unicorn surprise. Let's unbox it.
Hi guys. So we're not doing a Barbie video today. So we're going to do a unicorn bag unboxing video. So let's get started.
Okay, let's unbox it. So in this, there is a big unicorn bag, sling bag. It's very cute. This is the bag. So it's very pink in color. So this is a chain, and here is the sequence, unicorn sequence, and that.
So now I'm going to be unboxing the next gift. The next gift is this magical rainbow. So next we have this magical unicorn, owl, magical rainbow owl, and it's super duper nice, and it has all the rainbow colors, pink, blue, green, yellow, and it has this sparkling eyes and a sparkling nose, and it's called Oven.
Yeah, it's so nice.
Next
we have a beautiful unicorn pen. It's so fluffy here and has a pink unicorn. It's very super duper cool, and it's very purple, light purple. So let's unbox the next gift.
Next gift is this nice sand timer. It has like purple sand in it, and also you can even remove this. And also you can also remove this. So if you want, you can take it out and fix it again. It has some smiley faces. It's very cool. You can use this for brushing. See and see how much time you can brush. So this is the sand timer.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Oh wow!
Wow! It's a unicorn. It's a unicorn phone.
Wow.
It's a water game, transparent water game.
Oh my gosh! It looks like a real phone case.
Yeah. She has the blue one, and I have the light purple one. It's so cool.
See, I can put it on the things. You can play it, and when you're bored, see, I already put one, and I'm gonna do 2 of the rows. So fun, and mine is like these 2 unicorns by a birthday cake.
For me is that 2 unicorns are flying in a cloud, and back the same picture.
And mine is a blue themed one, and hers is a purple themed one.
Yeah.
Press the button, and it's really fun to play.
Yeah.
This is a very nice gift.
Yeah.
And it's really like a real phone case.
Yeah.
Cute unicorn
phone case. This one can be a good phone for very little kids.
This nice.
These are the overall gifts that we have now. So let's see one of them. We have this pen and this unicorn bag.
And we have these phones.
Yeah, these phones, and have a sand timer
and
a rainbow owl.
And this gift bag with a lot of foam beads.
Yeah, and here is the unicorn bag. It's very cute. So
that's all for today's video, and see you guys next time in my video. And please subscribe, like, and share, and then comment down below what was your favorite item. I think the phones were my favorite item.
Yeah, for me also.
So cool.
These phones are the favorite items for me also.
And my cousin, and my friend is also with me in my video today. So yeah, bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching.
Okay.
It's very sequence. Yeah.